See, in the last session, folks, just we started with concept of what is a version history in Java and how do we install Java SE 21 and how do we set the path. Okay. Once you did the path setting, then how do you verify whether the path setting is working fine or not? Okay. These are all the things that we have discussed in the previous session. And also we discussed about what is the structure of writing a Java program. Okay. So as per any Java program is concerned, a Java program can contain at most one package statement. Initially, when we are writing the programs initially, we are not including any package statement. Probably in the first, second programs like that, we don't write even any import statement. But later on, we will start writing import statement also. Then followed by, we have something called class. Without class, okay, without a class, we can't write even a single Java program. If at all you want to write a Java program, it must contain at least one class. And the other thing what I explained is every Java program's execution will start from the main method. You take Java program, C program, or even C++ program, because Java is a programming language which came from C++ background, right? So in C language, in C++ programming language, and even in Java programming language, the program's execution will always start from the main method. And what is the syntax of writing that main method in Java is public static void main. This is called main method. In Java, we have all methods. In C language or in C++ language, we have functions also. Okay. But whereas in Java, we have all methods. Here, the terminology is methods. There, the terminology is what? Functions. Did you guys got the point, everyone? Now, how can we, where can we develop the Java programs? That's the last point which I have explained to you. Okay, folks, where can we develop the Java programs? You can use either a text editor to write the Java program like Notepad or Notepad++. Today, I'm going to use Notepad++. Or I can use Notepad, whatever it is. Folks, am I clear? Second one is what, folks? IDEs. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. What are the most popular IDEs for application development in Java? Eclipse, IntelliJ, Visual Studio Code, etc. Folks, everyone in online, are you clear with this, folks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anil, yeah. Anil, Aksh, okay. Manmat, Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
Srikanth, Samir, everyone. Are you clear with all these things? Yesterday, this is what we discussed. Just I'm rewinding once in 2 minutes about what we discussed in the last session, right? Did anybody join the session today? Is anybody is newly joined to the session today? No, right? You are all yesterday also attended, I think. Nobody is new today, right? So these are all what last session we have discussed, folks, right? Now, as I said, initially, the first 2 to 3 programs we will write in Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, let's write our programs in a Notepad++. I'm writing there. You can use Notepad also. That's your wish. Folks, am I clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Now, okay.
Yes.
Now, yeah. What I will do is actually,
I have a quick question.
Sure.
Yeah, you're covering any Java features too, like a Java 8, maybe main, like a Java 8
I mean,
in this in core Java.
we are going to look at about approximately up to Java 17, including Java 17 features. I'll explain. Okay, don't worry. Java
Oh, okay.
8, Java 11, and Java 17.
Okay,
Because
thank you.
yesterday you have seen they are called LTS versions, right? Long-term support versions.
Yes,
Java
yes, yeah.
21 may not be required, but better to have Java 8 completely discussed very in depth because that's very
Yes.
important. That's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
important. Yeah.
yeah.
Java
The
11
Java is
features.
big enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Java 11 features also I'll explain.
Mm-hmm.
And then followed by Java 17 features also I'll explain. Java 8 followed by 11 followed by 17 at the end of the classes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Folks, just what I'm trying to do is so far whatever I have given you in the notepad, just I copied into this document. Actually, this is the document in which date wise a single document we will maintain, and in this single document you will find entire notes. Okay, let's save this document too. Yeah, folks, till yesterday we have discussed all these things, like we have text editors and we have IDEs. Okay, now we'll go ahead today. What we'll discuss today? Today we are going to look at about writing the simple Java program first in a Notepad++. Okay, folks, let's write a simple Java program. The first Java program we will write, then we will compile, then we will execute. We'll discuss more things on that. Okay, observe here, folks. First, I'm going to open the Notepad++, which is installed in my machine. Okay, and just I would like to increase the font size. So there is some place where I can edit the font. Let's just verify. Maybe it's language or new document default. Okay. There may be some place where we can do the settings, style configurations. Yeah, folks. Just nothing. I'm just increasing the font size so that people can able to see bit brighter. Okay. Right, folks. See, we are writing the first program here. Everybody. So
Yeah.
as of now, I'm writing the comment. In Java programs, we write a comment like this. I will tell you about how we can able to write the comment here, right? So okay, let's go ahead, guys. Just I'm writing a comment like this. So this program prints hello world. Yeah, please come. This program prints hello world. Okay, folks. So the symbols, whichever that I'm using, And you just feel that these are the comment symbols. Later we'll understand about the comments, different ways of writing the comments and all. But as of now, just to give you the program heading, I have written like this. Start with a slash, then asterisk symbol, end with a asterisk and slash symbol, reverse. Okay, now asterisk followed by the slash. This is called the forward slash. This is called forward slash. Forward slash asterisk is starting, asterisk forward slash is ending. In the middle, you can add any number of lines if you want. Okay, this is a way of writing a comment in Java. Okay, folks. Later we'll understand about comments and all, because I have not explained anything on this. I have not explained anything on this. Okay, folks. Yeah. Yeah. We will let you know. Folks, every Java program must contain at least one class. If at all you want to write any Java program, what is required? A class is required. Without a class, we cannot write even a single Java program. So first I should start with a class now. Class. Class is a keyword. I'll talk about keywords, followed by identifiers, how to write memory statement. These kind of things first I will explain, because these are very basic things that everybody has to know to write at least a simple Java programs. In the current program, folks, keyword is class, followed by class name. What statements I am not writing? Actually, as per the structure of a Java program,
Like a
Huh.
identifier, like a public
as part of the structure of a Java program, what the
package.
first statement? Package. But as of now, we don't know what is package statement and what is the use of writing the package statement, because we are at the very beginning and we are learning the basics of Java. So we are not writing that. But the second statements, package statement followed by what, folks? Import statement. Again, this is the very first program we are writing in Java. As of now, we don't require any imports. Followed by next statement is what? Class. But if at all I want to write any Java program, I need a class for sure. Without writing a class, we cannot write what? Java program. Am I clear? Folks, online folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why I'm writing the class. Class is a keyword, so I'm writing class, followed by class name. Let's say, for example, my class name is Hello World. Start the curly brace. What's my class name? Hello World. I'm writing letter H in capital, one more letter W in capital. Later I will explain about, after some classes, you will come to know about what are the naming conventions in Java. What are the naming conventions in Java? I will explain later point of time, after some classes, after a week of classes, for example. Folks, am I clear now? But as of now, do remember, Hello World has how many words? 2 words are there. Hello World. The first character of each word should be capital. The first character of each word should be capital when you're writing the class name. This is called class name only. It has how many words? 2 words. What's the first character in the first word? H. What's the first character in second word? W. So both are in capitals. Am I clear so far? Did you got my point? Online folks, did you got my point?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, folks, online folks, everyone. Yeah, folks, everyone. Tell me, what is the syntax of writing the main method in Java? What is the syntax of writing the main method in Java, folks? Online folks, can you tell me?
Static public.
Public static void main.
Yes.
Static
Public static void main, right?
Yes.
Public static void main of
String.
string
Okay.
square bracket symbols, args, close the parenthesis, open the curly brace. Did you got my point?
Yes.
This is the syntax of writing which method, folks?
Main.
Main method in Java. What does it mean? Later we'll discuss. Presently, what is this main method? Why main method is required? Because every Java program execution will start from main method
Main.
as of now. Main method. Okay, very good. Folks, inside this main method, I am writing one statement like this. Java is case sensitive. Yeah. Java is what, folks? Case sensitive. Case sensitive means what? Uppercase letter, lowercase letter, both are not equal. You should write the capital letter as capital only, lowercase letter as lowercase only. In system, S letter is capital. In string args, S is capital. Did you get my point? Online folks
Yes.
also, did you get my point? Very good. System dot out dot println. This is called output statement in Java. I will explain
Yes.
what does it mean later. What is system, what is out, what is println. You should know OOPS concept. When we start with the OOPS concept, you will come to know about what is SOP, system dot out dot println. In shortcut, we call SOP statement. Okay? System dot out dot println. Folks, everybody in online. System dot out dot println. I want to print a string, hello world. Something like that. Okay? Every line should terminate with semicolon. That semicolon represents end of the line.
Mm.
Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
One semicolon is mandatory. If you write more than one semicolon, it won't give any error. It will consider only first semicolon. The remaining two semicolons, it won't consider. But it must
Error.
end with semicolon. It is not an error. It won't give
Okay.
any error if you write more than one semicolon. Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I just want to close this main method, curly brace closed. Close the flower bracket for class. Guys, online folks, are you good with this code now?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone in online, are you good with this code? Everybody, are you understanding this code?
Yeah.
Yes? Very good. Very good. Now, folks, we have to save this program. File menu and save. In Notepad or Notepad++, you save like this only, na? This is called Notepad++. Generally, if you want to type some text, where do you type? In a Notepad, right? You can write the program in Notepad also, or in Notepad++ also. Wherever you write the program, you have to save it now. Yes. What is the class name here?
Hello world.
Hello world. Hello world. With which name I have to save this program now? Hello
Hello.
world dot Java. What's the extension? Dot Java.
It is not necessary with
Dot Java. Am I clear? Yeah. No. It becomes two words. Here if you want, you can give. No problems. That's okay. Okay. You want space, I'll give it. Yeah. Folks, file menu, save. Otherwise, shortcut key Control yes. Control yes. I would
Save
like to
dot-
save this in C drive. Directly, I'm not storing in C drive. In C drive, maybe I have a folder. In that folder, I will save. First, before you save any program, folks, in the second text box, save as type, what is currently displayed? Normal text file. Change it to all files. Change it to what? All types. Please understand, folks.
Yes.
Just a minute. I will delete these existing files, just simple files, so that you people won't get any confusion. Yeah. Tell me, folks, first, before you save as type is there, na? Change to what? all types, and then hello world dot
Sir, we
Java.
can give another name also.
That all we'll discuss later, okay?
Okay.
Because it's a very first program. I do not want to make confusion to anyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello world dot Java. Folks, hello world dot Java. Online folks, first of all, did you get my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's save it. Guys, what's the extension here? Dot Java. Save. Now my program is saved.
Yeah.
Where I have saved? I have saved in C drive. In C drive, I have a folder called Core Java. In Core Java, I have saved with the name called Hello World. It's a Java file. It's a Java source file. Online folks, is it visible to you?
Yes.
Because the basics are very important, folks. Everybody has to catch this point. See here. Tell me, where is my hello world.java file I have saved, folks?
For Java.
Hello world.java file I have saved in a folder called Core Java. It is there in which drive? C drive. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Next. Now I'll open the command prompt. Currently, where is the cursor in command prompt, folks? In C drive, there is a folder called users. Inside there is a folder called hi. But where is my Java program?
Core Java.
In C drive, there is a folder called Core Java. What should I do? First,
Change.
move the control back to C drive. How to move? How to move this cursor to C drive? Where is cursor currently blinking? In the folder
Hi.
called hi. Where is folder hi?
User.
Under another folder called users. Where is that folder? In C drive. But where is my Java program? In a folder called Core Java. That is there in C drive. So what should I do? First move my cursor back from hi to where? Users. Again from users back to where? C drive. Then tell me how to do that.
C:/.
CD
Directly we
dot
can
dot. CD stands for change directory. Dot dot means go back. Okay. And again, how to move? CD dot dot. Hey folks, online folks, I want to give clarity first. Okay. Is it clear? Everybody?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Online folks, is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the purpose
Yes.
of CD space dot dot? CD dot dot is a command, is a DOS command used to change the directory back to parent directory. Am I clear? Now, please understand me. Now, CD space, to which directory you want to move the cursor? Core Java. Tell me, where is cursor blinking now? Under
In
Core
Core.
Java folder. There is my program there. What's the command to use to compile the Java program is javac. Javac is a tool. Javac is a tool used to compile the program, which is called Java compiler tool. Javac, folks, hello world dot Java. Am I clear? Online folks, am I clear? I will write all these points in our document, but first I want to explain. Is it clear now? Hello world dot Java.
Yes.
Yes.
Enter.
Yes.
Enter. Now there are no errors. If there are any errors, then it will show the errors. But I have no errors now. That's why dot class file is created. Whenever you compile the dot Java file, what file will be created? Dot class file will be created. What file? Dot class file will be created. Folks, everybody is getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is getting my point? Now, Java space hello world. Folks, am I clear? This is the command used to execute the program, run the program. The first command is to compile the program. Second command is to execute the program. Is it clear? Enter. Don't type .java or .class. Just simply type hello world. Enter. Folks, what's the output we got? What is the message printed?
Hello.
Hello world. Means our program successfully executed.
Yes.
Yes. Folks, again listen. I will go here. By mistake, I forgot to write the semicolon. I have saved this program. Now tell me how to compile this program, folks. Java C hello world .java. I'm getting an error. Okay. At which line number I got error? Line number 8. What is the error? Semicolon expected at this line. Am I right or not? Okay. I will go there. Okay. This is the line number 8. Yet the semicolon expected. I'm keeping one semicolon. Again, I need to save this program. Go to command prompt. Java C hello world .java. It's compiled now. Now how to execute the program? Java hello world. Am I clear? We are getting output there? Cool.
Yes.
Now tell me, folks, all these I would like to give in the document. Then I will explain a diagram. Folks, we are looking about our first Java program. First, I will include our today's date. Yeah. I will write the document based on the dates. Okay, so better we'll move to the next page. Now here, folks, I want to take comment. But correct? What we are discussing here, first Java program. First Java program. First Java program. Oh, correct? So I would like to copy this. I'll paste in the document. Everybody got this point? Folks, everybody got this document?
Yes.
Okay, it's the first Java program. Okay, folks. Tell me, after in this program, you have to save now. If at all you want to write this program, first of all, you have to type this code in. Highlight step 1. First step. Write the below code in Notepad++. Otherwise, Notepad, your choice, whatever you want. I'm writing Notepad. I'm writing a Notepad++, sorry. Write the below code in Notepad++, first step. Folks, tell me what the second step. You have to save now. You have to save it, right? You have to save this now. While saving, first you need to change the save as type.
Yes.
Okay, save as type. Save as type should be all types. Okay. To save this program, press. I'm writing CTRL plus S, Control S. Control S to save the file. Okay, third point, because it's a first program, I want to give each and every pinpoint also. Later on, then we no need of writing all these things. To save this program, press Control S. Okay. in the opened window, change the save as type to all types. Did you got my point, folks? All types are changing now. Tell me, save this program with which name? Yeah. Save this program with the name
Class name.
hello world.java. Open command prompt and move the cursor to the program location. How to move the cursor to the program location with the commands like cd. That's what the moving the cursor. Am I right, folks? Yes. Then tell me, next we need to compile the program. How do we compile this program? What's the command to compile this program? Java C space hello world.java. Am I clear? Then tell me, next you have to execute this program or run the program. Execute or run the program. Folks, how do you do that? Java space hello world. Hey, this is what you people have to know. This is the first program, folks. This is the first program. This is how you need to compile the program and execute the program. Now, is it clear to all of you? Please give me a response from online people. Online people, please
Yes,
give
yes,
some
clear.
response.
Yes.
It's very clear.
It's clear? Right. Now I'll explain. Thank you. Okay. You also got clarity on this, right? This is how we can write the program. This is how we can compile the program and execute the program. I told once you compile the program, which file is created? Dart class file is created. What is the Dart class file name?
Hello.
Hello world Dart
Dot
class. Right? I want to give you, folks, a small diagram below this. To make it somewhat clear for you. Yeah, that's good. This is over now. Look at this, folks. Here, generally, I will like to draw the diagrams and I will insert these pictures into the document again. Folks, now this is my hello world.java program. What's the name of this program? Hello world.java. Okay. Tell me, when I compile this program using the command called Java C, folks, tell me, when I compile this program using Java C, what happened? When I compiled this program with Java C, what happened? One file is created. Do you know what's the command that I have used? What's the command I have used? Java C.
Java C.
Tell me, by using Java C command, this hello world Java program we have compiled, so that what file is created? So that what file is created?
Dot class file.
Java class.
Hello world
Dot class.
class. This file is created.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody? Good. Now I am executing this program. For that, which command I've used?
Java.
Java. So I will use
Hello.
that in the same line. Better to use in the same line. The command is Java.
Hmm.
So whenever I use Java command, my program will execute in JVM. This is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Folks, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. What's the command I'm using? Java. Am I clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Let me put this image into the document. Like this, lot of images will come into play. See, folks. Okay. Now this image is inserted into a document also, right? So tell me which command I've used. Java C. Folks, am I clear now? Right. Okay. Then after that, which command I've used? Java. Tell me .java file is compiled into which file? .class file. Then into JVM. Okay. Now tell me in hello world.java, what code will be there? In hello world.java, what code is available? That is called your Java
Understood.
code, your Java program code is available. This is called source code. This is called source code. If you compile the program, what class is created? Hello world.class. What it contains? Bytecode. Folks, am I clear? Folks, am I clear? What are the two names I used? Can you tell me?
Code and bytecode.
Yes.
Java C. Java.
No. What are the two names I used? Code.
Source code.
Yeah, folks. I have used a name called what? Source code. Another name I have used called what?
Bytecode.
Bytecode. Tell me which file contains source code?
Hello world dot Java.
Which file contains source code?
Java.
Hello world.java. Tell me it contains what
Java.
code?
Source code.
Contains source code. Tell me, folks. Hello world.class contains what
Bytecode.
code, folks?
Bytecode.
Yes, contains bytecode. Tell me what Java C will do.
Compilation.
Java C is a tool. Java C is a tool which is also called Java compiler. It's a tool which is also called Java compiler, and it converts
Source code into
source code into bytecode. Am I clear with my statement?
Yes.
Java is a tool. Okay, is a tool. Everybody getting my point? Which executes the or which sends the whatever it is. Which sends the bytecode into where? JVM. JVM stands for
Java virtual machine.
Java Virtual Machine. Okay, now, folks? It's a tool which sends a bytecode into JVM. Okay. Java virtual machine. JVM will execute the or will convert the JVM will convert the bytecode into machine code and then executes it on the operating system. Able to follow me, folks? Everybody? Online folks? What JVM will do? Will convert the bytecode into machine code, because I told already machines can only understand bytecode, binary language. Machine can understand what code only? Machine code only. Machine code is nothing but binary, zeros and ones. Tell me, JVM will convert the bytecode into which code? Machine code. What this Java tool will do? This Java is a tool which sends the bytecode into JVM. JVM will convert the bytecode into machine code and then executes it on the operating system. So far, folks, whatever we have discussed so far, did you get my point? Online folks?
Yes, sir.
Online folks, so far whatever I've explained to you, please tell me, have you understood it? Do you have any questions
Yes,
on
sir.
this?
No, sir.
No, you're good.
Anybody? Is it clear? Folks, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please ask me if you have any doubt. Otherwise, I will continue. Let's go further. Everyone. Hey, folks. Can I go ahead? Shall we
Yes,
go
sir.
further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Observe your folks. Tell me, folks, yesterday we have installed, I repeat my point. Yesterday we have installed Java 21 software in our machine. How to install the Java software is there in this document. This document contains from day one, whatever is there, everything will be there. The same document will continue till your entire core Java is completed. Okay. On that date, whatever that we are discussing, on that date, the content will start. Okay. Date followed by that date content. But one document only we will maintain so that all the nodes will be there at one place, including the pictures, everything will come, including the source code, pictures, everything will come here. Okay, folks? Everybody? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cool, folks. Don't worry. See here, I would like to explain now. Yesterday we installed Java 21 software. Whenever we install Java software, along with JDK, JDK is the name of the software. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Whenever we install the Java software, there are two components are installed. One is JDK, second one is JVM. Actually, JRE. Directly we should not call JVM, which is called JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Folks, first of all, I'd like to ask a question to all of you. After installing the Java software in your system, it may be Java 8 version, Java 11 version, or Java 17 version, or Java 21 version, doesn't matter. Yesterday we have installed which one? 21. Once Java software is installed in your machine, where can you find that software? Where is the location of the software?
Okay.
Where is it?
C drive program files.
Exactly.
Program.
C drive. Tell me. Folks, in C drive we have a folder called program files. In program files we have a folder called Java.
Java.
In Java folder we have called JDK 21. I have different versions, don't worry. But this is what yesterday I have installed. JDK 21. Open the JDK 21. Inside the JDK 21, you are finding some subfolders. What are they? Bin, conf, something like that. Everybody, okay? This bin, if I open bin for binary, there are many tools are available in bin folder. There are many tools are available in this bin folder. I will show you. There are many tools are available, but I will show you whatever that we need. See, folks, have you used this tool? What the tool name?
Java.
Java.
Yes.
Have you used this tool?
Yes.
Java
Compilation.
C is a tool. There are so many tools are there. Don't worry. Like jar is a tool. JR. Java P is a tool. I'll tell you what are these later. Java W is a tool. JConsole is a tool. Don't worry about that. Java Doc is a tool. Don't worry about all these tools. But only two tools we are working. What are the two tools? Java C is a one tool. Java is one tool. Did you get my point? Everyone, folks? Online folks also. Please give me response immediately.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond by everyone, please. Everyone, please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Yeah, very good. Please give response immediately. Okay, folks, you got the tools now? Actually, yeah, I want to tell you a very important thing, folks. Actually, if I go back and if I show you, I think I don't have Java 8 version. Maybe Java 11 doesn't contain that. Okay, right. Actually, in the previous versions till Java 8 something, whenever we install the Java software, you will be getting two separate folders. JDK folder, JRE folder. But now the JRE is coming as part of JDK. That's why you are not finding separately JRE folder. Folks, earlier, for example, I have installed, I think from Java 8, we don't have this. For example, I have installed Java 6 software. Do you know what will come on inside this? Do you know? Inside
JDK.
this, two
JDK.
folders will come. Two folders will come. What are they? JDK and JRE. Okay. But what happened from Java 8 onwards? From Java 8 onwards, only what folder will come? JDK. Did you get, folks, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Folks, everybody,
Yes.
did you get my point?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, only which folder come, guys? JDK folder. Inside this JDK folder only, what is also inbuilt? JRE. So today, how many folders you will get? Single folder. What is the single folder? JDK.
JDK.
Earlier, you have the two, JDK and JRE.
Yeah.
JRE stands for Java
Java.
Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. This Java Runtime Environment contains an application called JVM. Okay, from Java 8 onwards, that JVM is also available in which folder only? JDK. Why? Because JRE is a part of JDK. Tell me now, earlier separate folders are there, but now single folder is there. What's a single folder? JDK, which includes what also inbuilt? JRE. That JRE provides an application called what? JVM. JVM. It will convert the bytecode into machine code and will execute the program on operating system. Did you get my point? Online folks? Folks online? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me today, when you install Java 8, 11, 17, 21 versions, whatever the Java versions that are there available now, then tell me folks, in all these versions, whenever you install Java software, are you getting two folders or single folder? Single folder. See, Java JDK 21, one folder only. But are you finding any separate folder called JRE folder? No. No. Did you get my point? Online folks, did you get my
Yes.
point? Yes?
Yes.
Please tell me, folks. I will write here the point for you. Folks, tell me, tell me, when we install Java software, which folder is created? Which folder is installed? JDK? Yeah. When we
Yes.
install Java software, JDK 21, we use a version 21 only, na? Folder is created, which includes inbuilt
JRE. JRE.
JRE also. JRE stands for
Java.
stands for
Java
Java.
runtime
Java
environment.
runtime.
Java runtime environment. Okay, and tell me, folks, this JRE has an application called JVM. Did you get all these points now? Tell me, JVM comes from JRE.
Yes.
JRE is inbuilt in JDK. In the previous versions, earlier versions of Java up to Java, before Java 8 till Java 7, what happened? Two folders
Both
are
are
created, JDK folder, JRE folder. But nowadays, single folder. That single folder contains inbuilt JRE also. That JRE has an application called JVM. What is the purpose of JVM? It converts the Java bytecode into machine code, and you will execute that machine code on operating system so that we are getting the output. Am I clear so far? Folks, online folks, please give response because you are not in front of me. So I also need to know from your end that whether you understood or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the purpose of Java C, online folks?
Compile the code.
What is the purpose of Java C? Please tell me. Yes, it will compile the
Source
Java
code into the
source code and converts it into
Bytecode.
bytecode.
bytecodes.
Okay, folks, I'll tell you later on why Java is called a platform independent programming language, Java features, those things I'll tell you later. But basically, did you got the first program, like how to write the program, then how to compile the program, then how to execute the program? Did you got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Everyone, folks, clear? Let's go ahead, guys. Yeah. Guys, now, yeah, please understand. Everybody. Okay. If at all you want to write any, actually, if you want to write any programs, first of all, you should know about keywords. Keywords, identifiers, operators, literals, and strings. These are called 5 tokens. Tokens are 5 types. I'm not talking about Java. If you look at Java or any other programming language, in every programming language, there are how many types of tokens are there? 5 types only. Whether you go for a language called Python, or whether you come to Java, or whether you go ahead with other language like C#.NET, or you go for other programming language like Kotlin, or anything you go. Or go to C language or C++, wherever you go. In all the programming languages, basically, how many types of tokens are? Tokens means words. How many types of words are available? 5 types.
5.
What are the 5 types? Online folks.
Keywords,
Yes.
identifiers,
Keywords.
literals, string,
Literal
operators.
strings, operators,
Yes.
identifiers.
Exactly. Okay. Everyone in online folks, there are 5 types of keywords or tokens are there. Okay, folks. Tell me, so far, we discussed about how to write our first Java program, then how to compile the program, then how to execute the program. And we discussed about who is Java C, who is Java, who is JVM. This is what clear now? Actually, JVM is not completed. We need to have a big diagram about to know about the JVM's architecture. inside the JVM, what are the different components and what is the purpose of each component. But to discuss that, you need some more knowledge of Java. So that will first will gain, then we'll discuss about JVM architecture. Am I clear so far? Right. As of now, I am not touching any JVM architecture. I'm only just talking about JVM is there in JRE. JRE is there in JDK. Earlier versions, JDK is separate, JRE is separate. Nowadays, JRE is a part of JDK. JVM is a part of JRE. That's all. Yeah. Thank you. If you understood this, that's enough for me. Now, folks, we are talking about keywords. We are talking about keywords. Folks, if you look at Java, keyword means reserved word. Reserved word means that word, as a developer, we cannot use it as our word. Keywords are nothing but they are reserved. They have predefined meaning. And those words we cannot use as our user-defined words. For example, you take class.
Chalo.
Folks, class. Class is a keyword. Okay. What about hello world? Is it a keyword? No. Hello world is a user-defined word. Hello world does not have any predefined meaning. Able to follow me? For example, I write class, employee. Employee is a user-defined word. Class, policy. Policy is a user-defined word. It's not a keyword. Able to follow me, folks? Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
For example, fur. Fur is a keyword. It's a reserved word. It has already given with some meaning. The predefined words are reserved words which are given with some meaning already. They are called what words? Keywords. Folks. Okay. What are keywords? Keywords are the reserved words which have a predefined meaning. Keywords are the predefined words or reserved words which have the predefined meaning. Okay. Now coming to Java, folks. In Java, approximately 53 keywords are available. For example, I can write here multiple. For example, tell me class is a keyword. Class is a keyword. If is a keyword. Switch is a keyword. For is a keyword. While is a keyword. Okay, so many are there. 53 we can't write now. Just only I'm writing sample. Okay, class is a keyword. If is a keyword. Switch is a keyword. For is a keyword. While is a keyword. Did you get my point, everyone? Public is a keyword. Everybody getting my point? Yes?
Yes.
Public is a keyword. Just I'm writing some. Abstract is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Private keyword. Many are there, etc. Folks, everyone, did you get my point? Tell me, for these are all what? Keywords.
Keywords.
Yeah, keywords. Next one. Tell me, out of the 5 types of tokens, one of the type of the token is keyword. The other type of the token is what? Identifiers.
Identifiers.
Yes. Folks, let's talk about identifiers. Here you need to understand. Now I'm talking about identifiers. Identifiers means what you know, folks? Identifiers are nothing but what you know? These are the user defined words in a program. They are not predefined. What they are? User defined. These are the user defined words in a program. They are called identifiers. But there are some rules to follow. We cannot define our own way. I'll tell you the rules. Did you get my point, folks, everyone? In online? Hey.
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
you have to respond, right? Yeah, these are the user defined words in a program, right? Folks, listen here. Listen here. Suppose class hello world. Hello world is what? User defined word. Class name is user defined word. Class is a keyword. Class name. User defined word. Am I right?
Yes.
Later on you'll find out. Variable names. Variable names also will write. Variables names also user defined. Method names. User defined. Are you getting my point or not? Update employee. Delete customer. We'll write later. Methods will write like that. Delete customer, one method. Update employee, one method. Able to follow me? These are all what?
User
defined
defined.
words. User defined words. Able to get my point? Everybody? Employee number, employee name, salary will create variables. Employee number is variable. Employee name is variable. Salary is variable. Customer ID is variable. Customer address is variable. Did you get my point or not? These are all what? User defined words.
User defined.
Yes. User defined words. They are not predefined. They are user defined. They are called identifiers. So tell me, folks. Identifiers are used to define the class names, method names, and variable names. Everybody got my point? Folks, online folks, am I clear? Define the class names, to define the method names, to define the variables names, what we use? Identifiers. Okay? Right. Observe here. While creating an identifier, one must follow the below rules. There are some rules to follow. Rule number 1. First rule. Don't use a keyword as identifier. Class is a keyword, na? See, for example, folks, I want to ask all of you. I think you know about this. Int is a integer data type. Int, please understand. Int, my variable name is per, semicolon. Can I create a variable like this?
No.
It is a data type.
No.
Per is a variable name. Can I create like that? Why?
No.
No.
Per is a keyword. You can't use for your variable name. Variable name is an identifier. Class name is an identifier. Method name is also what? Identifier. Folks, did you get my point, everyone? Did you get my point, everyone, folks?
Yes, sir.
Can I write like this? Int, please understand. EMPNO.
Yes, sir.
Can we do this?
Yes.
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 Tell me who is identifier here?
Employee number.
EMPNO.
Employee number.
EMPNO. So employee number or EMPNO. EMPNO is what? Identifier. Int is a keyword. Leave it. Data type. Okay. Tell me, folks, what the first rule? I'll give multiple examples, but tell me first rule. What's the first rule, folks? Don't use a keyword as an identifier. Hey, folks, everyone, online people, did you got the first rule? First rule. Did you got the first rule, everyone, folks?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yeah. Second rule, folks. Identifier can contain letters, both uppercase, lowercase, no problem. Okay. Upper and lower can contain letters, digits 0 to 9. Underscore. I'm writing underscore symbol here, folks. It's not hyphen, it is underscore. Under, na? Underscore. Identifier can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar. Dollar. Folks, everybody got clarity? Everyone in online, folks, did you get clarity on this?
Yes, sir.
Identifier can contain letters, both upper and lower case. Next one, digits, underscore, and dollar. Means what? Don't use other symbols. See, folks, I won't write one small example here. Just understand. Class, okay, hash, my class. Start the curly brace and write the program, main method and all. Can I write a class like this?
No.
Folks, can I write a class like this? Please tell me, online folks, offline folks, both. No. Why? Because I'm writing hash na.
Hash.
What's the class name here? Hash my class. Hash is allowed or not allowed? Not what
Not
are allowed?
allowed.
What are allowed? Letters allowed, upper lowercase allowed, letters allowed, digits
Digit.
allowed,
Digits.
underscore allowed,
Underscore. And
dollar is
dollar.
allowed. But what about hash?
It's not
Can I-
allowed.
Can I write exclamation my class? Can I write
Allowed.
like this?
No.
No. At the rate my class?
No.
No. Why?
No special characters.
These are
No
not
special
allowed.
characters.
Only what are the special characters allowed? Underscore allowed,
Dollar.
dollar is allowed. Able to follow me? Online folks, did you get my point? First, I'll explain all
Yes.
the rules and I'll give a lot of examples. Okay. Tell me, first of all, did you get my point?
Yes,
My
sir.
question to all of you. Can I write class, my space class? Folks, can I write like this?
No.
No. No, we
No.
can't write. Okay. Why we can't write? My
Space is not allowed.
She is also
my class
character.
in between space. Tell me that space is allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Space is also one character. What are the special characters allowed?
Underscore and
Only
dollar.
underscore, dollar.
numbers.
Can I write my underscore class?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I write my dollar class?
Yes.
Yes.
Because they're allowed. Am I clear? Can I write
Mhm.
my class 1?
Yes.
Can I write my class 7?
Yeah.
Yes. 7 is a
Digit.
digit. Digits allowed. Letters allowed. Underscore is allowed. Dollar is allowed. But what about white space? Not
No.
allowed.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. What about hash? What
Not
about
allowed.
at the rate? Not allowed. What about exclamation? Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Not allowed, na? Very good. So, folks, third rule. Third rule. Please understand me, folks. Third rule. Identifier must begin with everyone, or must not begin with, better. Must not begin with a digit. Okay. Tell me first of all, who is identifier? Identifier is nothing but what? It's a predefined word or user defined word?
User defined
User
words.
defined word. Okay, user defined word. Identifiers are used for defining the class names, method names, variables names, and all. For that, we use identifiers. We have to follow some rules now. What's the rule number 1? Don't use keyword as identifier. Second rule, yeah, folks. Identifier can contain letters, digits, underscore,
Underscore and dollar.
and dollar. Third, identifier must not begin with a
Digit.
must not begin with a digit, not must begin. Yeah, please understand me, everybody. Just I'm writing like this now. Int space, folks. Okay. 9. Okay, 9. Okay, something like that. For example, 9x. Int 9x semicolon. Tell me, is it a valid variable?
No.
Yes.
9x is a variable, but it's not valid. Why? Because it's starting with
We
a
should-
digit. Can I write x9?
Yes.
Can I write
Valid.
x9? X9 is a valid? It's valid because it's starting with letter, lowercase letter or uppercase letter also okay. But it should not start with digit. Identifier must not begin with a digit, right? My question to you, can I write underscore x9? No?
No. No.
Underscore x9, is it valid?
No.
It's valid.
Yes, it's
It's not
valid.
a digit, na. It should not
It's
begin
not a
with
digit, but
That's all. It can begin with anything, but not with digit. Underscore is allowed. Can I write $x9?
Yes.
Yes. Underscore $x9? Yes. These are all okay. But 9x, not allowed. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third rule is completed, folks. Fourth rule. Everyone, folks. Fourth rule. For the fourth rule, I think these are the only 3 rules. Okay. So don't use a keyword as an identifier. It can contain letters, uppercase, digits, underscore, and dollar. And identifier must begin with a, must not begin with a digit. Any other? And of course, identifiers are case sensitive. This is one more. Identifiers are case sensitive. See, folks, I will explain you. See here. Suppose I am writing one variable called int lowercase x, or for example, int z variable, int capital Z variable. Tell me, both are same or different?
Different.
These two are the different variables or same variable? Different
different
variables.
variables.
This is in lowercase, but this Z is in uppercase. Am I clear? Which means what? Identifiers are case sensitive. Did you get my point, everyone? Am I clear, folks? Everyone in online, am I clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Folks, tell me totally, what are the 4 rules? Once again, let's repeat. What are the 4 rules? Don't use keyword as identifier. Second rule. Identifier can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar. Identifier must not begin with a digit. Identifiers are case sensitive. Better I'll write. Identifiers should not contain white space. Should not contain a white space, because white space also a character only, na? That's better. I want to include is a 5th step. 5th point. Identifiers should not contain a white space. Follow the class, folks, everyone. Follow the class and please attend the sessions very regularly, even though these are basics, but sometimes you may miss the basics also. That's why please attend the sessions regularly. Am I clear, folks?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
folks, am I clear with this?
Yes.
Yeah, folks, here I would like to stop the session for today. Okay. Let us rewind what we discussed, folks. Just in 1 second. Today we started from here. We have written first Java program. Folks, don't get confused. I repeat once again, folks, don't get confused. This is the way of writing comments in Java. Later I'll tell you how to write comments in Java. Presently write like this now. Slash asterisk, forward slash followed by asterisk symbol. You can add one line or multiple lines, any number of lines you can add the comment. Followed by end it with slash asterisk. This is a way of writing comment in Java. I'll tell you multiple lines comment. That's called multi-line comment, single line comment, documentation comment. 3 types are there. I'll tell you them. Folks, am I clear? Online folks, am I clear? Then we written about simple program called Hello World. Then we discuss
Yes.
something on this. Something on this, right? What we discuss here? You have to save this program with the name Hello World.java. Am I right or not? Yes. Then open the command prompt. Then how to move to the location? CD commands are there. CD ... CD space folder name. That's the way of moving it. How to compile this program? Java C Hello World.java. How to run this program? Java space Hello World. Space important, right? Tell me your Java Hello World.java contains which code? Source code. This Hello World.classical contains what code? Byte code. Who will convert the byte code to machine code? Java
JVM.
virtual machine. And it will execute that machine code on operating system. Did you get my point? Everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Tell me, folks. JVM.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, JVM. Okay, is a part of
JRE.
JRE. JRE stands for Java
Java.
Runtime Environment. JRE is a part of JDK.
JD.
In earlier versions, JDK and JRE are different, separate folders. But now, both are inbuilt into JDK. Did you get my point? Very good. Very good. Okay, what are keywords? They are the reserved words. They are the reserved words which have predefined meaning given by the programming language. Predefined meaning given by programming language. Given by the programming language. Better word, better statement. Am I clear? Yeah. Tell me approximately how many keywords are there? 53. Like class, if, switch, for, while, public, abstract, like that. Okay. Okay. Tell me to create identifiers are nothing but what? First of all, they are user-defined words. So identifiers are used to define what names? Class names, variable names, method names, and all. For that, we use identifiers. Did you get my point, everyone, folks? Yes? Then what are the rules to be followed? Don't use keyword as an identifier. Second one, identifier can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar. Next, identifier must not begin with a digit. Identifiers are case sensitive. Identifiers should not contain white space. Did you get my point? Tomorrow I'll give some examples which are valid, which are invalid. Like that. Identifiers you got to know. I will talk next tomorrow. Memory statement. What statement? Memory. To discuss memory statement, first of all, we should know about what are the data types. What are the data types? Because without discussing about data types, without discussing about identifier, we cannot write further programs. Okay. Already you know how to print output. Which statement we use to print output? System.out.println. In shortcut, we call SOP statement. SOP statement used to display output. But if I want to do some calculations, I need variables. Variables are nothing but identifiers. To declare the variables, I should know data types. To know about data types, first of all, I should know about memory statements. So tell me tomorrow, what we discuss first? Memory statement. Along with the data types. Then we'll start writing 2-3 programs. Different programs we'll discuss. I'll tell you next input statement. You know output statement. What's the output statement in Java? System.out.println. But we also take input now. I will talk about memory statement. I'll talk about input statement. Then we will write some programs. We'll see tomorrow on that. Did you get clarity on this today? Online folks.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll continue further, folks. Do you have any questions to me? As I said, folks, all these notes, whatever I'm typing here, this will be shared with you. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. I'll share all these notes with you. Don't worry. Yeah. Folks, any other questions to me? Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far, folks?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow, folks. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you, folks.
Are we using the same Zoom link tomorrow also?
You will get to know, okay? If there is a change in the link, then you will be informed in the WhatsApp group also. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.